Helping someone overcome phone addiction can be a challenging process, as it often involves changing deeply ingrained habits and behaviors. Here are some steps you can take to support someone in getting rid of their phone addiction. Open communication. Approach the person with empathy and understanding. Express your concern for their well-being and explain how their phone usage is affecting their life and relationships. Avoid being confrontational or judgmental. Set boundaries. Work together to establish healthy boundaries for phone usage. This could involve designating specific times for phone-free activities such as meals, family time, or bedtime. Lead by example. If you're also using your phone excessively, it might be helpful to reduce your own usage as well. This can show the person that you're serious about the issue and that you're making changes too. Identify triggers. Help the person identify what triggers their excessive phone use. Is it boredom, anxiety, loneliness, or something else? By understanding the triggers, they can find healthier ways to cope. Find alternatives. Suggest alternative activities that can replace phone usage. This could include hobbies, exercise, reading, spending time with friends and family, or pursuing personal interests. Digital detox. Encourage them to take short breaks from their phone. This could be a few hours each day or even an entire day each week where they disconnect from their device. Use apps. Ironically, there are apps designed to help people manage their phone usage. These apps can track screen time, set usage limits, and provide reminders to take breaks. Practice mindfulness. Encourage mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, to help them become more aware of their impulses and urges to use their phone. Supportive environment. Create an environment that supports their efforts to reduce phone usage. For instance, if you're spending time together, suggest activities that don't involve screens. Professional help. In severe cases, where phone addiction is significantly impacting their life, consider seeking professional help. Therapists or counselors experienced in behavioral addictions can provide guidance and support. Positive reinforcement. Celebrate their successes. When they successfully reduce phone usage or meet specific goals, offer positive reinforcement and acknowledge their efforts. Patience. Changing habits takes time and setbacks are common. Be patient and supportive throughout their journey to overcome phone addiction.